Hi friends, Lord Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita that he had four categories of devotees. Amongst those four categories of devotees, whom he liked the most, let us know a very interesting conversation went on between Lord Krishna and Narada. What is the conversation went on between Lord Krishna and Narada? Let us know. Here is the conversation between Lord Krishna and Narada. Lord Krishna was looking at a farmer with a smile on his face. Narada, who was standing beside Krishna, asked him, "What, Krishna? Why are you looking at him constantly?" "Yes, Narada, he is my favorite devotee." "Krishna, he is just a farmer." "Of course, he is a farmer, but I like him the most." Narada could not digest Krishna's words. With his spiritual vision, Narada observed the farmer's daily activities. He again continued his conversation with Krishna. "See, Krishna, that farmer prays you only thrice a day, but I chant your name continuously. Can you tell me how he became your favorite devotee?" Krishna wanted to prove Narada why he liked him the most. Now Krishna says, "It's okay, leave it. At present I am very thirsty. Can you get me some water from the river behind the hill?" He showed him a pot which had a hole. "Sure, Krishna, I will get it for you." He took the pot and was climbing up the hill. Normally, he chants Narayan mantra continuously, but his attention was caught by the hole in the pot. He forgot chanting mantra and was thinking, "How can I take water with this damaged pot?" Anyway, he got down the hill and filled the pot with water. Water started oozing down from the pot. Narada said to himself, "Why did Krishna show me this damaged one? I think the whole water will be leaked out by the time I will have reached the place." He tried his best to cover the hole with his power, but is of no use. Finally, he reached Krishna with little water in the pot. Then Narada says, "Sorry, Krishna, this pot is a damaged one. Only little water is left in it." "It's okay, Narada. By the way, how many times you chanted my name while getting water for me?" "What, Krishna? How can you ask me that question? My concentration was only on the hole in this pot. I was just thinking how I could fulfill your thirst." "Yes, Narada. Now you came to the point." Krishna further continued. "See, Narada, that farmer prays me thrice in the morning, before eating food, and while sleeping. Do you know what he asks? 'Oh God, give me strength to fulfill hunger of all by helping me in cultivating my field. I am just instrumental in the work I do.' Then he devotes all his time in the work he does. For him, work is worship. At the same time, he completely capitulates himself to me. He is not egoistic. On the other hand, you are egoistic in your devotion to me. I think you might have understood why I like him the most." While bringing water, you too had the same feeling of fulfilling my thirst. So you concentrated on the pot. Yes, Narada, it is the true devotion which I like the most, not simply chanting my name several times. Narada realized his mistake and fell on his feet. Here, Narada represents egoistic devotees. Thus, the story proves work is worship. So, friends, what do you understand through this story? Work is worship. We need not neglect our duties. We have to perform all our duties, but see, some people think that just by performing pujas and all, we will achieve salvation and all. It's not like that. We should not neglect our duties. Duties are very, very important. We need not neglect our duties. But at the same time, we have to have the feeling that we are instruments of the Lord. We are just instrumental. That is what our Karma Siddhanta says. Next time, we will come with some other interesting topic. Till then, bye.